Welcome to our latest tutorial, where we'll show you how to react to group messages on WhatsApp using your PC with the new update. This feature is a game changer for those who prefer managing their chats on a larger screen. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and have access to all your chats. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a list of your conversations. Navigate to the group chat where you want to react to a message. Once you're in the group, locate the specific message you want to react to. This could be a funny joke, an important announcement, or just a message that deserves some love. Right-click on the message to bring up a menu of options. You'll see a list of reactions, but if you don't see the one you want, click on the plus icon next to the reactions. This will open up a whole library of emojis for you to choose from. Now, search for the reaction that best expresses your feelings. Whether it's a thumbs up, a heart, or a laughing face, WhatsApp has got you covered. Once you've found the perfect emoji, simply click on it and it will be added to the message. This is a great way to engage with your contacts and add a personal touch to your interactions. Reacting to messages is not only fun, but also helps to quickly convey your emotions without having to type out a response. It's perfect for those times when a simple reply isn't enough, or you want to show your support or excitement in a more visual way. By following these simple steps, you can enhance your group chat experience on WhatsApp using your PC. Whether you're using it for personal or professional communication, this feature is sure to make your interactions more engaging and enjoyable. So, go ahead and start reacting to those messages today.